Hello, thank you so much for joining me on Simple Life Pattern Company's Kyra Sew Along. Today we are going to be sewing the Kyra. Isn't it a great dress to be worn this summer? The version of the dress that I'll be sewing will be the regular bodice with the circle skirt. Now let's get started. So here I have my supplies ready to sew my Kyra. I have my knit fabric, fabric scissors, paper scissors, measurement tape, clips, a thread snipper, and a seam ripper. It's also handy to have a fabric marker and a bodkin or safety pin to turn the bodice right sides out. I will also be using a white fabric for my bodice lining. So here I have my fabric. I'm using double brushed poly. It is a 50% 4-way stretch knit. I also have my lining that is also 50% 4-way stretch knit. I will be using a different fabric for my skirt. So our next step is to tape our paper pattern together. So here I have my pattern already printed. I also have tape, or if you choose, you can use glue. The first thing to check is your 1-inch square. Does your 1-inch square measure 1 inch? If it does, great! If not, you may have to reprint. Next, you are going to align the paper so that the lines at the bottom of the sheet overlap the line of the next sheet. So we will begin to overlap the pages as they are printed. So here I have page 14 and 15. I will overlap them using the horizontal line at the bottom of page 14 and the top of page 15. You are able to see through the paper so that you can position them accurately. Next, we will tape page 15 to page 16 in the same manner. Here I have page 20 and 21, where I will also overlap the bottom of page 20 to the top of page 21. Then I will overlap pages 21 and 22 and tape as well. Next, I will put the 2 columns of papers together, overlapping the side lines. When done, you should have perfect circles. So until tomorrow, you will continue to cut out your paper pattern pieces and cut out your fabric. See you tomorrow.